You all use WhatsApp, but you don't know about this secret setting that's really useful. In this video, I'll show you a unique hidden feature in WhatsApp that lets you scan documents right from your phone without needing any extra apps. You can do it all within WhatsApp. To scan a document, just open any chat in WhatsApp. As you can see, I'm in a chat right now. Look for the attachment icon. When you tap it, you'll see several options. One of them is for documents. Tap on that and you'll see an option to scan. This hidden WhatsApp feature lets you scan docs without any third-party apps. To use it, just tap Scan Document and watch what happens. The scanner opens and you'll see a blue line. This is WhatsApp's built-in document scanner. It's that simple. No need for other apps. You can scan any document directly from WhatsApp. So how do you use it? Just tap Scan Document and see. The document scanning option will open. You'll see a blue line appear on your screen. This line helps align your document. Just follow it. See, it'll click automatically. You just need to retake here. Okay, look, I have a PDF file here. Alright, I'll bring it into shape and size and see it fits automatically. See, it's auto captured. The document fits in the blue line. It'll scan your document. Look, I'll show you again. See, I clicked retake here. Look what you need to do. You'll see a blue line with a light blue shade. Just bring your document into that frame. As soon as you do, it'll auto capture. This way you can scan all documents. Now look here, there are many more options. Like here, you can also scan more docs. I captured this one, moved it aside. Now I need to scan another. See, I brought another here. There's a plus sign. We clicked it and also brought this inside the blue area. See, adjust it slightly. Okay, I will put this paper aside a little. Yes, so now see, it has come in the blue circle. It has been captured automatically, isn't it? You may not have seen it, but see my second image captured here automatically. It has been done. Now see here, in the same way, you can do two scans. You can scan two documents at once. And we have scanned. Now you have to see many more here. There is an option in the feature here that you can crop here. Can you rotate it? You can apply filter, clean it. You can also delete it here. Then see here, if you go to the crop, then here you will be given the angle to be matched. If you clicked diagonally by mistake, then you found it here. You can see the 4 dots that have been given. Zoom here. See this, merge the corner with the corner, the photo of yours, which is your PDF. It will fit you perfectly, okay? So you got a corner from a corner. See that it has been given, it has become perfect. Now click on it to apply. Do it, and now your flat has been completely transformed. You can edit it in the same way. Look, here's a filter option. If we click on filter, you'll see various patterns. You can also change its color if you want. See, we clicked on color and it changed like this. If we click on black and white here, it changes this way. Look, black and white is here too. It's done like this. You can apply these filters there. You can also click on auto. Okay, now apply it. You'll see here that there's an apply all option. If you've applied it, it'll affect both documents you've selected. Both have been applied. So it's applied to both documents. Now click on done here. Okay, as soon as you click done, your WhatsApp scan document will be sent. And see, your PDF is now on WhatsApp. As you can see, there's no need for any third-party app. You can create PDFs directly from WhatsApp. If you enjoyed the video, please like it. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Now let's see, your documents are previewed here. Look, you've made 2 docs right from your mobile. With this scan feature, you can easily create PDFs in WhatsApp. If you liked the video, please like it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Take care and goodbye.